Hi guys! Hi! Yan, late nag-vlog si Ma'am She. Ano na, afternoon na. Hindi, kasi galing kami sa, gala. Birthday ni, ni Julian ngayon. Birthday niya. Happy birthday, Julian! Sing! Happy birthday, Julian! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Right here.
Yes! Happy birthday, Julian! Hey, hey! Ayan guys, nandito kami sa kwarto niya. Kada ligpit ko sa kwarto niya, ginugulo niya. So, ayan, sensya na po na medyo magulo ang kwarto niya. Mamaya, mong liligpitin ko ito bago siya matulog. Ay, pagkagising niya, magulo na naman. Kaya talaga tayo mga mamshis. Paggising niya, gugulo niya yung kwarto niya, ligpit na naman si mamshi. Then, pagkatapos, punta siya sa playgroup. Ligpit na naman si mamshi, maglinis na naman sa kwarto niya. Ganun. Pag uwi niya, ayan, punta na siya sa kwarto niya. Likotin yung mga toys niya, guguloy niya yung kwarto niya. Ligpit na naman tayo. Kaya non-stop talaga ang trabaho as a mom. So, ang regalo ko sa kanya, hindi na siya nag-ganon. Hindi na siya
Skateboard.
gift wrap.
It's a skateboard.
No, it's not a skateboard. It's a...
Skateboard.
No.
What's this like for like?
It's a trottinette.
Walking.
It's a scooter. Ay, sorry po. Parang malaki to ah. Uh-oh.
What's this? Need to build.
Yeah, I want to...
It's a part. This part. This one of two parts.
Yeah.
One of two parts in here.
Uh-huh.
It's like this. Cool.
Ito siya guys.
Back the bubbles. Back this way.
Ano ba to?
And me back
Ah!
this back.
It's like this, Julian.
Yay. Get a bump this time. Get a bump this time. Get a bump and get four. And get a bumpy and get over.
Moment!
Spin the wheel, spin the wheel.
Oh, there's a light, oh. You see that? There's a light.
Light,
Yes.
light. Lights are spinning around.
Many hours later.
Pagkatapos ko assemble sa sa scooter, nauhaw ako. Medyo na-struggle ako, struggle ako pag-assemble ng scooter. Pero okay na siya. Inaano na ni Jolene. Can you please try it? Show them how you... Woo! Do-da! Excuse me. Kaya may ubo pa rin ako, guys. May ubo at sipon. Pero nothing to worry about. Wala akong Hindi ako, negative po ako sa corona.
You can try it.
Ha?
You can try the scooter and need to bump your head.
No, you don't bump your head. This one is for the brakes. Yes? I-step mo to para mag-brake. And then, ayan, scooter siya. Ma-adjust mo to. Actually, pwede ko siya magamit. Ang weight. Yata, ang limit weight is 80. Hindi ako sure, 80 or 70 to 80 yata kilos. So, Pwede sa akin. Pero, sa kanya yan guys, sa kanya. Ay. Ayun, nag-ano lang kami kanina. Na, treat ko siya sa McDonald's. I know it's unhealthy, pero paminsan-minsan lang kami nagma-McDonald's. Ano lang, chicken nuggets, french fries, then, sumakay kami ng small boat. Pinakita ko sa kanya yung fire boat. Yung parang siyang fire truck, pero boat, fire boat. At, ayun na, na-amaze siya sa fireboat. Sabi niya, wow! I have a toy like this! Sabi ko, yes, you have a toy like this, but this one is real. No, you saw the fireboat? What happened to your eyes? Oh, you're happy? Oh, you just...
Hello!
Is Jen happy?
Bobby!
Hey,
It's skating!
it's Scooter.
A scooter. We need skate on the way. We need to skate.
Yes.
Yes, one.
Yeah.
I need to skate this one. I need to get a phone.
Yeah. Yay! Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Ayan. Masaya siya. Ayun guys, Patapos sa sa ko sa kanya sa boat. Pinasakay ko siya ng malit na boat. Kasi may doon, parang, anong tawag yan? Yung iko-cross ka lang sa river. Kalimutan ko anong pangalan yan. Pero lang siya, hindi siya, may tali siya, may tali. Then, iyan lang yung tali. Iyan lang yung boat. Yes. Crossing lang sa river. And then, sa other side, may fireboat. Then, pagkatapos nun, naglakad kami papuntang sa Marktplatz. Punta kami sa Mövenpick restaurant. Siya? Ang specialty nila doon, ang mga ice cream. So, nag-ice cream kami ni Julian. So, yun, lunch namin, McDonald's. Sakay kami ng boat. Na-amaze siya sa boat. Sakay siya sa boat. Nakita niya pa yung fireboat. Then, nag-ice cream kami. Ayan. Happy siya. Ako rin na-enjoy rin ako kasi nakita ko yung mata niya nag-spark. Spark. At ayun. Masaya lang ako na siya. Ayun, happy siya. Masaya ako na nakita ko siya na talaga makikita mo talaga na grateful siya ba, na nagpapasalamat siya na ganitong araw niya, ganyan. Then plus, pag-uwi namin, ayan, may regalo. So, sabi niya, Mommy, open! Sabi ko, not yet. Muna tayo, siesta muna. And then, ayaw man niya mag-siesta kasi gusto niya open na. So, hindi siya nakasiesta. So, ayan. Inopen na yung box. Hindi niya nag-struggle ako pag-assemble nito. Nauhaw ako. Ngayon, okay na. Ngayon, nag-ano na siya sa, scooter niya. Dikit na dikit siya. Dikit na dikit. Ayan, look, Hi, say hi. Are you happy?
I'm strong.
It's your present.
It's your skating. It's skating.
Yeah.
It's skate.
Scooter.
It's a scooter.
Yes. Yes.
Skate. It's a skateboard. It's a skate.
No. Alam ko na gusto na ito kasi palagi niya to nakikita sa mga bata. Palagi niya to nakikita sa mga bata. So, sabi ko, sige, bilhin ko siya ganito. Oh dear. Meron siyang LED light. Maganda. Oh, may light. Ano, uso kasi ito sa mga bata eh. Nakikita ko yung mga bata po going sa school nila, sa kindergarten or sa primary school. Dala nila yung scooters nila. So, sabi ko, sige, bilan ko ka to.
Awesome. Julian.
Tsaka pa na nga itong titingnan sa mga bata. Oh.
Julian is awesome.
Panay niya itong titingnan sa mga bata. Sabi niya, Mommy, I want. Then yung mga bata, ayaw man nila magpagamit. Ayaw nilang magpahiram. So, sabi ko, kawawa naman ni Julian. Ayaw man nila pahiramin si Julian. May mga bata na ayaw pahiram pa. So, naawa ako sa anak ko. So, yan. Binilan ko siya nito. Gustuhan niya. So, ayan. Na-enjoy niya yung scooter niya. Ano pa ngayon, guys? Ngayon yung birthday niya. September 30 ang birthday niya. Ang celebration po talaga will be on 17. Ano lang, hindi ko na video kanina. Hindi ko na video yung gala namin ni Julian. And sabi ko, nakalimutan ko yung camera ko. Pero in my head, kung dinala ko yung camera ko, baka mahirapan ako mag-video-video habang hawak ko si Julian. So, di ko na lang inano yung camera. I mean, nakalimutan ko na nga. So, inano ko na, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, what's important is you're with your son. Yan, with my son. You spend your time with him. And then, may mga pictures. Yan. Then, yun. Then, happy kami dalawa. Di kami, nasi-stress. Na may hawak akong camera. Ganyan. So, ayun guys. Yun po yung happenings namin ngayong araw. Sensya na po kung di ako naka-vlog. Yung happening sa, yung gala namin. Ganyan. Pero, ayan. Don't worry. So far, so good. Yung yung pasyal namin it was really nice and really beautiful, especially for him. He really did enjoy his stay, as in talaga yung mata niya, spark sa saya. So ayun, happy si Julian, happy ako. Ayan. I hope happy kayong lahat. Sige guys, thank you so much, and God bless, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell down below, and like and subscribe, and also don't forget to the notification bell. Ayan, pault ulit. Sige na, take care, cause I care. Mwah, mga mamshies. Saludo ako sa inyong lahat dyan.
Bye.
Flying kiss.
Let's skate.
Hi guys! Ayan, nandito tayo sa bahay namin ulit. Ano ba yan? Nag-ano ako guys, ayan, it's September 17. At, ayan. Ayan guys. Simple decoration lang. Ayan. Mamaya dyan. Then, mag-rapot tayo ng spring rolls. Lumpia Shanghai guys. So, maaraw sa labas pero medyo cloudy. Okay. Si Julia dito. Loood. At ako'y magbabalot ng spring rolls. And what's this? It's spring rolls, Julian.
It's spring rolls.
Mm-hmm.
I put water in here. One like a ceremony for a circle. And the other one a circle.
Yeah.
This one is amazing.
Mm-hmm. I know. Mm-hmm.
I need to eat.
Yeah.
Hey, what?
Ooh, okay.
Wanna show?
My husband bought this, guys, freshly baked bread.
Proper real bread.
Ayan, guys. Partneran namin yan ng curry wurst or curry sausage.
Snack for in between until this is it. Let's see if you like it. If not, more for me.
Where did you buy the bread?
In
How
the
about this one?
small bakery store
Oh.
in market. Now look what that's what it looks like.
Look, oh, my husband sliced it. Ito po yung tsura niya. Ayan. You want?
Yeah.
Ready na ang prito. Prito na ang spring rolls. Piprito pa. Si Javi naglilinis sa sa sahig. Yan si Julian kinukulit si Papi. Ayan, nag-ano sila sa
Meanwhile,
What? Then go here on the other side.
The door is locked.
Then go other side, please.
The door is locked.
Yeah, you go on the other side.
The door is locked.
Yeah, Julian, go the other side.
The door is locked.
Here, the other side of the living room.
No. I'm not going the other side. Go this way.
Ah. Tapos na guys ang ano party. Nagkain na kami.
What's this, Mommy?
No. Tapos na ang party. Are you happy? Are you happy? Did you enjoy your day? Do you like your
I
toys?
like this one.
You like your toys?
Yeah.
Do you like your new presents?
Yeah.
What did you have?
I have a dream.
What?
I need to go home. I need to go fast.
What?
I need to go sleep. I need to go fast. I need to go.
Come, papi, let's eat. Siopaw, guys! Snack kami kasi marami kami kinain sa afternoon. Afternoon kasi yun ano niya, ang kainan, ang celebration.
Put some water.
Yeah, your water. A moment. It's here.
I gave Alex 3 pieces. Like, no.
Yeah.
She wanted 2.
Oh.
But take away. Not 3, because there's so many. Yeah, the
You like this?
hmm?
Did he like this?
I think he ate.
Oh.
To Katrin and Evelyn, I think they think it's too sweet for their taste.
Oh.
It's sweeter than the empanada. The empanada is already a bit sweet.
Oh.
And let's see.
Dentist and
We have 4.
yeah, we have 5.
Mm-hmm.
Eat.
Now you know how to make, no?
No.
In the oven.
Yeah.
And it's such a bit completely baked.
It's real. It's real. Oh, real.
Premium.
Walang fat. Parang mayroong a little bit.
No.
Bali
Flavor.
chicken.
This one also mommy. La baby, 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 baby. Baby Julian. This is baby. This is Julian. This is mommy. This is mommy. This is monkey. Monkey.
Monkey?
Mm.
Papi is monkey?
And also mommy's our girlfriend.
What? I don't know the sound of dolphin.
Yeah, a bit difficult. It's very high.
Parang
And the
something
fish.
No.
It's very high pitch. Remember Flipper,
Yeah.
the dolphin? You cannot help it. And then shouldn't same water on this bed. It's dark outside, look.
So yan guys, hanggang sa muli. Sa next vlog. Pagkatapos namin kakain, linisan namin si Julian, brush teeth, and patulogin na. Then sunod kami na naman ng asawa ko.
Al sobre. Al sobre.
Say bye-bye.
Julian.
Bye-bye.
Envelope. Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.
Flying case.
Mwah.
Flying kiss?
Mwah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Ayan guys, nasa labas tayo. Ano ngayon? Slow up. May mga roads na sarado. And only for mga bikes. Mga bikes, mga scooter. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Yan. Naghahanap ako ng pumping station para sa bikes namin kasi mga bikes namin flat. Gusto namin sumali sa slow up puzzle. Ito po siya, guys. Nakasulat siya slow up Sunday September 18 from 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. Yan. Mga bikes. Yan. So, sasali rin kami. Pero, first, ipapump muna yung bikes namin. Medyo malamig. Hi, guys! Hindi kami natuloy sa, sa biking. Yung slow up sa labas. Dito lang kami sa bahay.
This car right here.
Yeah, you put... What? Oh, no.
What?
Where did you put it?
And I put it in the ocean.
It's not the ocean, the bathtub. Don't put it there because it's metal. It's not for water. Julian. So, yan. Hindi kami natuloy. Sira yung bike niya pala. Okay lang. Enjoy rin kami. Enjoy rin kami dito sa bahay. Kami. Naglalaro kami ni Julian. And then, kami. Siesta. Siesta si Julian. Then, nag-snacks kami. Ayun. Snacks kami. Nag-black tea ako. Black tea. And si Julian nag-cookies. Oh, you eat the cookies?
Yes. But look at this.
Oh, dito kami sa banyo, guys. Papaliguan ko si Julian. Sebe. Say hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Flying kiss, Lola, be. Ayan, di kami natuloy. Kanina, okay lang. We spend our Sunday. Relax lang, ganun. Nakasiesta kami ni Julian. Si Javi may ginawa, important stuff. Yan, okay naman. We can do that event next year. Kasi every year yan meron eh. Yung slow up ang tawag sa kanila dito. Slow up. Only for bikers. Siklista. Basta yung mga yung may mga bikes. Ayan. Then may close yung ibang street, close ibang roads. Exclusive lang talaga sa mga sa mga bikes na nagda-drive. Pasyal-pasyal, libot-libot, punta sa park, ayan, sa maliit na forest. Ayun, last year parang, hindi kami
Getting dark.
Ang last namin pumunta, nag-slow up 2018. Ayan, yung wala pa si Julian. So, maybe next year we can do that. Ipapaano ni Happy, maybe this week, ang bike niya, ipapa-repair niya. Then, para walang problema na. Para tuloy-tuloy na next year. So, sige lang, okay lang. Uy, it's not really, at least, andito kami, sa bahay, kaming tatlo. Wala, hindi yung katulad na, during weekdays na yung asawa ko nasa labas, nagtrabaho, yung kami nandala ni Julian. So, ayan, naman yung weekends namin? Day well spent with family. Yan ang importante. Together with family. So, yan guys. Hi, Julian again. What can you say with bubbles?
It's white.
Yes? You like bubbles?
Yeah.
So many bubbles, Julian, in your bathtub.
It's an egg.
No, it's your knee.
It's your egg.
It's an egg.
It's me.
Yeah, it's your knee. Say hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Flying kiss to Lola, be.
Mwah.
Do you miss Lola?
Yes.
Do you miss Lolo?
Yes.
Do you miss Ninang He?
Yes.
Do you miss Tita Azea?
Yes.
Do you miss Ninong Scott?
Yes.
Do you miss Lolo Toti?
Yeah.
Do you miss Lola Mimi? Hey! Ay, busy na sa laruan niya. Yan. Nagtatanong nga to minsan eh. Mommy, when are we going to the beach? I want to play beach. I want to play sand in the beach. It's like, oh, maybe next year. Sa Pinas, sa Philippines.
Go.
Mm-mm.
I'm ready. Tired. I'm
You're
very
ready.
happy.
You made apple in the Spielgruppe.
Yes.
Aha.
Rubbish.
Hmm. Go the other side here. Go. Yeah. You can use your scooter with your feet.
I don't use the scooter.
Yeah, use. Un moment. Ako. Look, music. Ay, sabi pa. Huh?
Salut. Wie
Shake
geht's
hands.
dir? Kommt hier.
Mhm.
Komm. Spiel ein bisschen mehr und mach ein
Wie?
Video. Mach ein Video, du nicht?
Ha?
Mach ein Video?
Ah, nein, nein.
Nein.
Hi, guys. Say hi.
Hi guys. We need to go.
We need to go.
Somebody.
Mm-mm. Ah, yes.
Oh, Julian's scooter. Oh, Julian's scooter.
Yeah, but you already have.
I have scooter.
Yeah,
I have this.
you already have. Come, we go.
I have this scooter. I need to hold. It is this strong. It's so fast.
Mm-mm.
Get me, please. No, what's this? Look,
Skateboard.
it's a skate.
Ah, hello. Hi, Rafael.
I need it.
Kids.
It's a bellow. It's a bellow.
maybe
And
the back.
his helmet.
Maybe he will come.
Go sit down over there. May regalo siya. Nakita namin yung kakilala namin.
Open.
Pupunta man sana siya sa sa celebration last Saturday, kaso yung anak niya may sakit. Pero yung anak niya ngayon okay na. Nakita kami sa kalsada and then may inabot siyang regalo.
Can open?
Yeah, you can open it. Oh, let's open it.
You can open. This. It's slow.
Sige. Mm. Oh, what's that?
It's like this one.
Wow.
You can open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano? Ito. Puzzle. It's a puzzle.
Needle already.
Moment. Where's the scissor?
You can open. It's tight. Like this.
Mhm.
You can. Oh, you can open.
Ooh.
Wow.
It's a puzzle. Hmm?
The box. Box.
Siya.
Box. 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 Box.
Mm.
And there box. See box. Box.
You can play for a while while Mom is preparing food, okay?
This one is for there would be.
Yeah.
That is where to go.
Oh.
And we'll make to